Welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to string introduction. We will see one by one. The strings is basics we will see in this session. Like I am declaring a string like course, and the course is in a double quotes and single quotes. You can use it. Python for beginners. Python for beginners. A simple keyword I have written here, and I'm taking as an print. It will be shows simple string declaration and COU or S. Yeah. Now execute this line of the code. See now the output is Python for beginners. The compiler output is showing Python for beginners over here, and when trying to expanding the particular value over here to understand about see Python for beginners. All right. Now my question is that Python, it's a Python for beginners we have written. In between, if any, like apostrophe S, where I am using here is in a single quote, and if I am using in between the single quotes of apostrophe S, like a single quote is ending here, and Python will not understanding what is this. Now see the Python apostrophe is it's a syntax error. It's showing throwing the error. Have you seen? For the purpose, there is an beautification of a Python language. We have a facility to use either single quote or double quote statement in the Python language as a declaration of the string. If you are using double quotes, it will be satisfies the Python, and the Python will be treated as it's a completely a common string. It will be read and it will be prints with the Pythons for beginners. All right. See now Python's course. You can add anything. You can add anything over here, and it will be treated as a print, and the same thing will be written here. Either single quotes or double quotes, you can use it. Why? Because Python may treat that if it is using single quotes, it will be terminated over here only. Rest of the things it won't be understanding. All right. Now the Python course is for beginners. If I have double quotes or information I require, like the Python, we have seen the single quotes, and my question is that my Python beginners, the beginners only I require to print within the double quotes. See. For this is the purpose you have to put it as a single quotes over there here to write like first one and second last one. Now see here, it will be treated as a complete common string with the double quotes. Within the single quotes, it can use the as it is in a string. Now take in a print, go over there. Yeah, Python course for beginners within the double quotes it's showing. All right, this is the way a very basic strings you can declare using the Python language. And if you are having multiple lines for the string, time being here it is in multiple lines. What it will go to that? Three things you take it here and enter and type what you want to print over there, and three things at end. Single quote, three types, and here is my course details. All right. And likewise, you can type anything, multiple lines. Like you are drafting a mail, you are sending multiple lines, and you can use these three quotes. Now you will take a printout of this. It will be prints like this is the matter Python course for beginners. Here's the name, blah blah blah. See the output. That is very much pretty easy. What you are going to be giving within the string, like the three triple quotes, single quotes, what you are going to write in here, you will get as an output by reading the interpreter over here. Likewise, if you are appending any messages and all, like email drafting, it's a dynamic content. you want to send like multiple lines, you use like this three quotes of single, and write at the starting level and ending level, and you will get an what you're inside within that string, and you will get an output of that particular string. All right, this is the way. It's a very simple to declare a string declaration using Python language. Thank you.